Today, we're diving into the best cases designed to complement and protect the OnePlus 15. Number 1. Henson Pull Translucent Magnetic for OnePlus 15 Case. If you're someone who enjoys showing off your phone's sleek design but still wants solid protection, the Henson Pull Translucent Magnetic Case might just be your new favorite. Its semi-transparent finish allows the original OnePlus 15 aesthetics to shine through without hiding the elegant back, which is a big plus for minimalists. This case relies on a built-in magnetic system that snaps neatly with compatible accessories, making wireless charging and mounting effortless. Number 2. FNT Non-Slip Case for OnePlus 15. The FNT Non-Slip Case is all about grip and simplicity, tackling one of the most common phone dilemmas: accidental slips. The textured surface practically begs you to hold it tighter, reducing the risk of those heart-stopping phone drops. This case is super lightweight and slim, perfectly complementing the OnePlus 15's natural ergonomics without turning it into a bulky device. Number 3. Besinpo OnePlus 15 Magnetic Case. If magnetic cases are your go-to, the Besinpo for OnePlus 15 offers an impressive balance between cost, function, and style. This case showcases a matte finish that resists fingerprints and adds a soft, comfortable grip, making your phone easier to hold without feeling slippery. The integrated magnets work smoothly with compatible accessories, including chargers and car mounts, making it a practical daily solution. Number 4. Poetic Guardian MagSafe Case for OnePlus 15. For those who want rugged protection without compromising wireless charging or MagSafe accessories, the Poetic Guardian MagSafe case stands out. Its robust frame and shock-absorbing layers give the OnePlus 15 serious defense against drops and bumps. Beyond bulk, Poetic strikes an excellent balance with a sporty but sleek look, featuring a textured back that improves grip and minimizes scratches.